students. Today we are going to start our next exercise 14b. So our first problem is 1 of 1. So here is a figure which is a square, and there is also inside a square, and the length of each side of the big square is 8 meter and length of each side of the small square is 4 meter. Now we have to find the area of the shaded portion, that means this portion. Okay, so to find this portion, first we have to find the area of the big square ABCD. Okay, so length of each side is 8 meter. From this figure, the area of the square ABCD equal to, our formula is side into side, okay, and the unit is 4 meter square. Now also we have to find area of the small square, that means EFGH, whose each side is 4 meter. Okay, and area of EFGH equal to 4 into 4 meter square, that means 16 meter square. So we already find area of the big square and area of the small square. So what will be the area of this portion, this shaded portion? Just we have to subtract this small square from the big square, okay, to get the shaded portion. Therefore the area of the shaded portion equal to 64 meter square minus 16 meter square, that means 48 meter square, and this is the answer. Okay, next problem is problem number 2. A photograph of size 35 cm by 22 cm is mounted onto a frame of external dimension 45 cm by 30 cm. Find the area of the border surrounding the photograph. So first there is a photograph. Okay, this is the main photograph. EFGH is the main photograph. EFGH is the main photograph. Now there is a surrounding. Actually there is a frame, that the shaded portion is the frame, okay, frame of the photograph, and length of EH is 35 cm, that is length of the main photograph, and after frame the photograph, the length is 45 cm and breadth is 30 cm. Okay, so now we have to find the area of the shaded portion, that means the area of the frame. Okay, so from this figure, the area of the ABCD equal to, ABCD means this big rectangle, 45 by 30. So 45 into 30 centimeter square, because our formula is length into breadth. So we will get 1350. Now also we have to find the area of this photograph, that means area of this small rectangle, and area of EFGH equal to, length is 35 and breadth is 22 centimeter square. So after multiplication we will get, so after multiplication we will get 770 centimeter square. Okay, so area of the rectangle EFGH is 770 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of the shaded portion, that means we have to subtract the small rectangle from the big rectangle to get the area of the shaded portion. Therefore the area of the shaded portion equal to centimeter square. Okay, 580 centimeter square. So the area of the border is 580 centimeter square. This is the answer. Okay, our next problem is problem number 3. In this problem there is a room EFGH, okay, and outside the room there is a veranda, okay, which is 1.25 meter wide. That means breadth is 1.25 wide, okay, 1.25 all around. So, and we have to find the cost of cementing the floor of this veranda at the rate of rupees 15 per square meter. That means first we have to find the area of the veranda or area of the shaded portion, okay, because shaded portion is the veranda, okay. So first, to find the shaded area of the shaded portion, we have to find area of the small rectangle and big rectangle, okay. From this figure, area of EFGH equal to 5.5, length is 5.5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. That means after multiplication we will get 22 meter square, okay. And length of the rectangle ABCD, that means the big rectangle, okay, ABCD. So length of ABCD is not given, we have to find, but length of EF is given, EH is given. Length of EH is 5.5 meter and here is 1.25 meter and here is also 1.25 meter wide. So we have to add this 1.25 two times, because here one times and here one times, two times, to get the total length. That means the length of AD, okay. So 5.5 plus 1.25 plus 1.25, okay, two times. So after addition we will get 8 meter, okay. And similarly also to get the breadth of ABCD, that means AB, we have to add 1.25 also two times with this, okay. That means 4 plus 1.25 and 1.25 two times, okay. So we will get 6.5 meter. Therefore the area of ABCD equal to 8 into 6.5 meter square. That means 52 meter square, okay. Therefore the area of the veranda equal to ABCD, the area of ABCD and area of minus area of EFGH, okay. So 52 minus 22, that means 30 meter square. Now we have to find the cost for cementing the veranda, okay. Now to cementing the veranda for 1 meter square, the cost is rupees 15. Therefore for 30 meter square, because area of the veranda is 30 meter square, so for 30 meter square the cost is rupees, we have to multiply just, so we will get 450 rupees, okay. This is the answer. Now our next problem is problem number 5. Here two crossroads are there which intersect each other at right angles, okay, and this is the common paths, okay. So these are two paths. Now we have to find the total area of these two paths. Okay, this shaded portion is actually the common paths, and these two are actually roads. Okay, now we have to find the area of these two paths. So from this figure, area of the path PQRS means this portion, this path. Okay, this rectangle actually PQRS is actually a rectangle. PQRS, which length is PQ, which is equal to the length of this total rectangle. Okay, that means which is equal to BC, that means equal to 75 meter, and breadth of PQRS is 2 meter, which is given 2 meter, only 2 meter. So we will get the area of PQRS equal to length is PQ, that means 75 into breadth is 2 meter square, so 150 meter square. Similarly, we can get the area of this path, that means EFGH. Okay, area of the path EFGH equal to, what is the length of EFGH? Actually EF is the length and breadth is EH. Okay, so the value of EF is EF, which is equal to AB actually, which is given 62 meter. Okay, so 62 into EH, 2 meter only, EH. Okay, this is the breadth actually, so 2 equal to 144 meter square. This is the area of the path EFGH. Okay, so now we have to find the area of the common paths, that means this square. We have to find the area of this square. Each side is equal to 2 meter. Okay, by this figure we can say each side of the square is 2 meter. So what will be the area of the square? Side into side, our formula is side into side, so 4 meter square is the area of this small square, or you can say the common path. Okay, now we have to find actually the area of the two crossroads. So area of the two crossroads is area of this rectangle, that means area of this road, plus area of this road minus this portion, because it is common. We take it 2 times. In this road we take it 1 times, and this road we take 1 time. So how many times we take? 2 times. So we have to subtract 1 time. So what is the area of this common path? 4 meters. So we have to subtract 4, because we have take it 2 times. So we have to subtract 1 times, that means minus 4. So after calculation we will get 270 meter square. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay.